Welcome to my review slash unboxing slash showcase of a Ryza figure from Wonderful Works. This is a pre-owned item from Amy Amy, which was graded at a B+/B. Since it's a pre-owned item, the box has already been opened and a sticker from Amy Amy's warehouse confirming the grading has been stuck on. But enough showing off the box. Let's get into the unboxing. I wanted to show off the inside of the box since one of the signs of a knockoff is a missing background insert. As you can see, my cats love checking on what I'm doing and what I got. Even though the figure was pre-owned, she was cared for very well and looks pretty brand new. You could hardly see any dust on her, and even parts of her were still wrapped in plastic. The base is textured and painted beautifully, which I'll be showing closer up later on. Now as I'm putting her together, I want to talk about some of the details and logistics for this figure. Ryza was originally released back in July 2020 at 20,680 yen. But I bought it back on July of 2022 pre-owned with a rating of B+/B and spent about 17,080 yen. I used EMS, which cost about 3,000 yen. She was shipped from Tokyo on 7/15 and arrived for pickup on 7/21. The packing from Amy was pretty good. I forgot to take a picture, but with 4 figures, there was ample packaging protecting each one. As a side note, I accidentally did break her weapon. I twisted the 2 ends of the staff, and you were not supposed to do that. So, if you do get this figure, please don't do that. You're supposed to just pull them apart. Now that she's finally put together, let's show her off. Now, the big question, is she worth it? Should you get her? I usually collect figures, from things I have a connection with. Either I've played the game, watched the anime, or read the manga. But for Ryza, I haven't played her game yet. But I do plan on playing it later on. And honestly, I do find the figure pretty cute. If you have a connection with the figure, or you just want a character with thick thighs, she's worth it. Go get her. I'm gonna read a little snippet of the description of the figure from Amy's website. Ryza's voluptuous thighs have also been sculpted to perfection. If anything, that's the main reason you should get this figure. It's for the thighs. Thank you for stopping by and listening to me review and talk about this Ryza figure from Wonderworks. And remember, thick thighs saves lives.